Hello class, today we are going to understand exercise 1.4 and our first question ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest, lowest to largest. So first question, A part 1,24,272, 3,22,752, 18,356 and 3,27,229. So first number, smallest number is 18,356. So first we have to write 18,356. Afterwards, two numbers are 3,27,000, 3,22,000. But from both of them, in comparison of both of them, 1,24,272 is smaller. Afterwards, 3 lakh and 3 lakh. 3,22,000, 3,27,000. 3,22,000 is smaller. And 3,27,229 is the greatest in all of them. So here is our answer. Afterwards, B part 1,04,789, 7,49,000, 85,800, 6,92,480. So 85,000 is the smallest, then 1,04,789, then 6,92,000, then 7,49,599. One lakh 4,789, 6,92,480, then 4,49,599, 7,49,599. Here is our answer. So the next question is descending order. Descending order is opposite of ascending order, from greatest to the largest. Oh, greatest to the smallest. Sorry, largest. 5,46,000, 4,56,000, 6 lakh, then 7 lakh. We all know 7 lakh is the greatest. 6 lakh after 7 lakh. Then 5 lakh, then 4 lakh. So 7,54,000. Then 5,46,454. Then 4,56,983. B part is 8,27,000, 4,09,000, 6,05,000 and 2,56,000. Then 8 lakh is the largest one. Afterwards 6 lakh, then 4 lakh, then 2 lakh. So the greatest one is 8,27,490. Then 4,09,000, 4,09,283. Then 6,05,000, 890. Two lakh 56,000. Oh, sorry, students. 6 lakh is greater than 4 lakh. Then 6 lakh came on the second one. 6 lakh 5,890. Then 4,09,283. Then 2 2,56,849. That's the correct order. 8,27,490, 6,05,890, 4,09,283, and 2,56,849. Our next question is question number 3. Mark the period comparing using greater than, smaller than, and equal to. Our first question is 4,16,245 or 3,46,810. Obviously, 4 lakh is greater than 3 lakh. Then 50,542 and 50,524. 50,500, 50,500. The three places are same, but 42 and 24. Then 42 is greater than 24. So 50,542 is greater. 7 lakh 49,000 and 4 lakh 79,000. Obviously 7 lakh is greater. 1 lakh 97,546 and 1 lakh 98,564. So 1 lakh 98,000 is greater. Same question number 4. Using the following digits from the greatest and the smallest number. Form the greatest and the smallest number with the help of these numbers 3, 6, 9, 4, 5. So first we have to write down greatest number. So greatest number in all is 9. Then afterwards 6, then 5, then 4, or then 3. So the greatest number is 96,543 with the help of these numbers. And the smallest, the reverse of this, like 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9. This is the smallest number. The twist in the number where 0 came. There is no problem in the greatest number. So 4, 1, 2, 0, 6. The 6 is the largest one. Then 4, then 2, then 1, and then 0. But in the case of the smallest number, we have to start with the next number to 0. Like if there is 1, then we have to start from 1. If there is 2, we have to start from 2. If there is 3, we have to start from 3. Afterward, we can put 0. 1, 0, 2, 4, and 6. Here is the number 784019. Then 9 is the greatest, then 8, then 7, then 4, then 1, then 4, then 1, and then 0. The 98,741 is the correct order. In the smallest, starting from 1, 0, then 4, then 7, then 8, and then 9. This is the correct order of the smallest number. So, student, question number 5th, predecessor and successor. Predecessor means subtract from 1, the number less than 1, and successor means number greater than 1. Like 4,16,890. The smaller number than 1 is 4,16,889. So if you have any problem in predecessor and successor, you just have to add 1 in 416,891. Then it is a adding 1, like 416,891. It is the predecessor, successor, and 416,890 subtract 1. The answer is 988,614, and this is the predecessor. You just have to add 1 to get successor and subtract 1 to get the predecessor. Then 416,891 is the successor. In 3,86,229. Subtract from 29 minus 1, 28, and the ahead number is the same. Afterwards, what is the successor? 29, the 30. 3, 8, 6, 2, 3, 0. This is the successor. Then 5,89,999 by adding 1. 5,89,999. After adding 1, we got the successor. 9 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 9, then 1. Then 5,90,000 is the predecessor of 8,89,999. That's a tough one for some students, but it's easy by this method. By joining the 1, adding the 1 in 5,89,000. And for predecessor, we have to just subtract 1. By subtracting 1, we got 8 on the 1's place. Then 5,89,998 is our predecessors. Then 6,32,000. So we have to subtract 6,32,000. We have to subtract 1. We have to give carry. Then 10, then 9, then 9, then 10. 10 minus 1, 9, then 9, then 9, 1, 3, and 6. 63 lakh, or 6,31,999. 6,31,999 is the predecessor of 6,32,000. And successor of this is very easy, 3,32,000 and only 1. We just have to put 1 in the end. So our next question is, we have to make the greatest 6-digit number by repeating any 2 digits. By repeating any 2 digit, we have to make the greatest, means the largest number with the help of repeating any 2 digit. We have 4 digit and we have to make it a 6-digit number. We have to make a 6-digit number. So we have 4 digits and we have to make 6-digit number. Or we can repeat any 2 digit. So any 2 digit, if there is written any 2 digit, we have to repeat the largest digit. The 1 digit, the greatest, we have repeat the 9 2 times, and after that 7, we also repeat 7. We repeated the 2 digits. Afterwards 4 and afterwards 2. That's the answer. In 3,506, 6 is the greatest one. We repeated 6. Then 5. We repeated 5. We repeated the 2 digits. And afterwards 3 and in last 0. In third part 8. Repeated the 8. Then 4. Repeated 4. Then 2 and then 1. That's all. Thank you. Question 6 is completed. So class, our next question is question number 8. Question number 7 is in book. It's a very easy question. You have to mark greater or smaller in that question. So question number 8. The number is given, as you can see in your book. The number is given like 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 22, 24 and so on. You have to find out the even numbers and odd numbers between the numbers. So you know even numbers are number which have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at its unit place, or we can say that divisible by 2. जो नंबर 2 से डिवाइड हो जाए, the number divisible by 2, and the odd numbers are rest one like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They are the odd numbers. In the unit place, if we have unit place we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then this is the odd number. So first is our odd number. Then 3 is also odd. 4 is our even number. 6 is odd. 7 is 6 is even and 7 is odd. 9 is odd. 10 even. 11 odd. 22 even. 24 even. 84 even. 53 even. 99 53 odd and 99 also odd. 441 odd. 754 even. 880 even. 990 even. 223 233 odd. 6244 even. 7563 odd. 4849 odd. 5060 even. 5061 odd. 6190 even. 23450 even. 23451 odd. 52140 even. 78260 even. 95637 odd. 250693 odd. 653497 odd. 856296 even, and 39250 is also even. So the odd numbers are placed under the table here where heading is odd number, and even number are placed in the heading of even numbers. So we have to separate even numbers and odd numbers. Likewise, this in your book you have to do this question. So that's all for exercise 1.4. Thank you, class.